Hello friends, we are here to explain redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Redox reaction is a combination of simultaneously occurring two processes. One is oxidation and another is reduction. Redox is a combination of oxidation and reduction. As the name suggests, redox and reduction and oxidation. Now if we take one example, we will better understand what is redox reaction. Like when zinc oxide ZNO is heated with carbon or coke. When zinc is heated with carbon, it produces zinc and carbon monoxide. Here we can say the oxidation is removal of addition of oxygen, and now if you see the carbon is converted into CO. So this is an process of oxidation, and reduction is removal of oxygen, where Zn is converted into ZNO is changed to Zn. So this is an reduction reaction. Reduction reaction, simultaneously occurring process in which oxidation and reduction takes place, is known as redox reaction. Here ZNO is converted into Zn and C is converted into CO. Now two more things are there: agents, oxidizing and reducing agent. Those agents, the substance which take part to remove oxygen, is known as oxidizing agent, and the substance which take part to add oxygen is known as reducing agent. So carbon is converted into Cu, so this is a reducing agent. The carbon coke is reducing agent, and ZNO is agent produced to remove oxygen, so this is called oxidizing agent. Simultaneously, if you so see ZNO, it is an oxidizing agent, and C, it is a reducing agent. कहने का मतलब है कि जब हम जिंक ऑक्साइड को कोक के साथ रिएक्ट कराते हैं या हीट करते हैं, तो क्या मिलता है हमें? जिंक, और उसके साथ में मिलता है कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. ये है आपका कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. यहाँ ZNO यानी जिंक ऑक्साइड किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? जिंक में. सो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ रिडक्शन. ये किस चीज का प्रोसेस है? रिडक्शन का, जहां ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव कर दिया गया ZNO से Zn को. इसी तरह से यहाँ कार्बन के अंदर ऑक्सीजन को ऐड कर दिया गया. तो ये कौन सा प्रोसेस हो गया? ऑक्सीडेशन. एंड एजेंट्स क्या होते हैं? जब कोई चीज सपोर्ट करता है, अगर वो ऑक्सीजन को रिमूव करने में सपोर्ट कर रहा है तो कहलाएगा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, और अगर वो ऑक्सीजन को ऐड करने में सपोर्ट कर रहा है तो कहलाएगा रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. सो द कार्बन कोक इज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एंड ZNO इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट in this redox reaction. Now we will take further example to conclude it better. Like for adding hydrogen sulfide with sulfur dioxide, here H2S is getting reacted with SO2 to form sulfur and water. The first thing which we know is how to balance an equation. Now here we can say in reactant side 2s are present, so we will multiply this by 2, and two oxygen are present, so we will multiply this by 2, and 4 hydrogen, so calculate this, it is 2. Again we have to increase the sulfur, 3 sulfur. Now you can calculate all the 3 elements in right hand side and left hand side should be equal. Hydrogen 2 to 4, hydrogen 4, sulfur 2 sulfur 1, 3 sulfur 3 sulfur, oxygen 2, oxygen 2. So this is a balanced equation. Now here when we are talking about reduction or oxidation. Here SO2 is reduced to S. SO2 is reduced to S. So this is a reduction. And H2S is reduced to S. So this is a oxidation reaction. Simultaneously here we can see the sulfur is both for oxidation and reduction. We'll take one more example to conclude it better. Magnesium dioxide is reacting with hydrochloric acid. Manganese dioxide MnO2 with HCl to form MnCl2 plus water plus chlorine. MnCl2 plus water plus chlorine. Here we can see this is an reduction function. This is an reduction function, and HCl is converted into H2O. So this is an oxidation function. Oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Here manganese oxide is converted into manganese dichloride, and hydrochloric acid is converted into water. The simultaneously reaction of oxidation and reduction takes place. Redox in the terms of the third one, electrons. Redox reaction in the terms of electrons. When a substance loses electron, is called oxidation, and a substance gain electron is called reduction. For example, Na plus Cl2, but it forms NaCl. Sodium plus chloride, it forms sodium chloride, salt. So here we can say, if we balance this, it is 2Na, 2NaCl. Now if sodium is reduced by its positive charge, here one positive, here one negative, so two electrons of sodium of Na loses 2 electrons to get Na plus charge in NaCl, and chlorine accepted 2 electrons gain to form Cl minus. Okay, this is the way when electrons are in terms of redox reaction. Thank you for watching this video.